Want to use more than one Instagram account on the same phone? Most people think they need to log out every time, but there's a much easier way. You can add another account in seconds and switch anytime you want. Let's set it up right now. First, open up the Instagram app, then tap on your profile from the bottom left corner. After that, tap on the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down, then tap Add Account. Here, you'll be given two options. Log into an existing account. If you already have another Instagram account, you can log in with your username and password, and the other one is create a new account. If you want to add a completely new account, select this option to create one. So I have an existing account. I'm going to tap on the log into an existing account option. So here, enter your username and password, then tap on login. Once you've added two accounts, tap on your profile icon. Tap on your username at the top of your profile. You will now see both of your accounts listed. Simply tap on the account you want to switch to, and Instagram will switch to that account. And that's how you can add and switch between two Instagram accounts on your device, whether you're using an Android or an iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.